Hi, I'm Nanga. I'm the CEO and co-founder of TimeCredit. We automate the first draft of technical accounting memos. I'm excited to be part of the AICPA, CPA.com Startup Accelerator for a couple of reasons. One, having access to other startups in the same space. So people who are thinking about accounting and serving accountants every day, just like my team. It's really helpful to have thought partners in that way. The second reason is obviously access to all of the professionals and industry leaders who can provide us with guidance and also test some of our assumptions with us as we go through our problem solving. TimeCredit drives innovation in the accounting and finance profession by leveraging AI to get complex documentation drafted for accountants. And I think it's easy to focus on the drafting, but what's really exciting is about the insights that we can pull from extracting information from clients and customers and then pairing it with the relevant accounting guidance. TimeCredit leverages generative AI as well as knowledge graphs, which really is the AI that we were all familiar with or had heard of prior to this ChatGPT boom. We also use retrieval systems, which is a way to provide additional context to language models in order to get a first draft of something and to get a more relevant output. And this way, we're able to serve the accounting and finance industry where accuracy is really important. It's okay if you're drafting marketing or a story that isn't that accurate because you can always edit it, it's not that important. But with finance and accounting, it's really important for us to make sure that we're sticking to the truth and facts. Artificial intelligence will impact finance and accounting in many ways. I think a lot of people are going to focus on the fact that it increases profitability, which is huge. But for me, the way I really think it's going to impact accounting specifically is retention, employee retention, and the work-life balance for the accounting industry. Right now, as we all know, we're facing a lot of attrition in the accounting space. And I think by making the daily lives of accountants better, companies are going to be able to hire people faster and keep the best people as well. My highlight of the AICPA Startup Accelerator so far has been the deep dive, for sure. So during our deep dive, we showed up with a set of questions for the accounting leaders and advisors in the room. And I was blown away by how focused everyone was and really interested in answering our questions and providing us with opportunities to connect with people who weren't even in the room. I think it's very common where you ask a question to a panel and there's an awkward silence because it's who's going to answer. And this was the complete opposite of that. People were jumping to answer our questions and we went over the 45-minute mark. It was really an incredible experience and I'm so grateful for it.